Hello and welcome to Craftsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful Suzette Stitch. So I've made a blanket for my personal use with this Suzette Stitch. So if you're looking for any quick gifts like scarf or blankets, this is the go-to stitch. So without any further delay, let's leap into the tutorial. I've taken DK yarn, it's blue in color, which recommends a hook size of 4 mm. But I've taken a hook size of 5 mm. Let's begin with a slip knot. Popping the hook into the slip knot. Now the pattern multiple for the Suzette Stitch is very simple. So all we have to do is chain an even number for as wide as you want your blanket to be. So I'm going to chain 16 as this is a sample swatch. So you can chain any number, but it has to be an even number. So I'm going to chain 16. Here is chain of 16. Now for the first row, we're going to start working from the second chain. So this is the second chain. The chain on the hook counts as nothing. So we're going to make single crochets starting from the second chain, and we're going to continue making single crochets throughout. So let's make single crochets starting from the second chain. So that is our single crochet row done. So now the next row, that is the row 2, is the start of our Suzette Stitch. And the Suzette Stitch is really simple. So for the Suzette Stitch, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And we're going to work into the very first single crochet from the previous row. So that's this one here. So if you count the chains, so it's 1 and 2, it's this one, this stitch here. So we're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet into this single crochet space. So a single crochet, so insert the hook into this space here and make a single crochet, and then make a double crochet exactly into the same space. So now we're going to skip this chain and we're going to work into the next stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch in such a way that both the loops of the chain are on the hook. Grab the yarn and a single crochet and then a double crochet into the same space. So skip a chain into the next one, a single crochet, and a double crochet into the same space. Skip the next stitch and into the next one, a single crochet and a double crochet. Skipping the next stitch and into the next one we're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip this and into the next one a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip this chain and into the next one going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. So skipping this chain, now we are into the very last stitch. So into this last stitch we're just making one single crochet. So inserting the hook into this space here, and just one single crochet. So this is how it looks. Now we're going to chain one and turn our work, and again starting from the very first stitch, so that's this one here. So we're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. So this space here, insert the hook and a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next stitch and work a single and a double crochet into the next one. So inserting the hook into this one, single crochet and a double crochet. So we're going to carry on the same thing until the end of the row. Let's do that. So skipping this, now we're going to make a single and a double crochet into the next one. So we're at the end of the stitch now. So skipping this one and into the very last stitch, we're just making one single crochet. So we're going to chain one and turn our work, and continue the same Suzette stitch until we reach the desired length of our blanket or scarf. Really, you see how simple that Suzette stitch was, and it fills up really quickly as well, and it looks really beautiful. So yeah, if you happen to make this blanket or a scarf using this Suzette stitch, do post it in the comments, and I would love to see your work. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you soon again.